Hello everybody, welcome. I just want to tell everybody, unfortunately, we've gone ahead and made the decision to just kidding. No way. We are never shutting this thing down. We love every one of you that watches our videos. We appreciate so much that you watch us and support us and tell us all the time. When you see us in the parks, it's always exciting to meet new people. It's great. We hope to continue many more years to come. Hope you all had an awesome holiday and April Fools. But thanks again for watching. We are going to keep this thing rolling until the wheels come off the bus. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. And hey, you know what? The noble way is the easy way.